Dear friends, in this video we will see one of the very powerful AI based tool for photo editing, for image editing with natural language. It means with text input we can edit any image. Okay, so you can see that this is the website WordCanvas.app. For example, in this particular left hand side image you can see so many people and some objects available, but as soon as it is mentioned remove all tourists, in right hand side new image will be generated without external objects. So I will show you one demonstration. So for example, people, okay, and mountains. Just for demonstration I will take some image and I will show you how to work on this. For example, this one is the image and I'm downloading it. Okay, this one is the image. Now I want to use this tool. Okay, photoshopping, photo editing with natural language. Now I will upload this image and after uploading this, so you can see this one, a mountain and some scenario. Now I will give the input, remove people. So you can see that. So I'm not using any toolbar, we are not using any particular third party software like Photoshop. Simply we are giving the input in text format. Okay, so it is processing now and now you can see this new image is generated. So this is actual image in which people are there, and as soon as I have written remove people, so new image is generated without people. So you can see that this one I will be able to download it. So for your research work, for content preparation, for digital content design, whether it is related to research papers, articles, books, if you want to go for photo editing, image editing, so you can use it. So you can see that in same way some other examples given. So this one is left hand side before, and if we have given this prompt, then new image will be generated. Okay, same in same way, for example, this uh, in this image this input is given, turn the color of cabbage to dark blue. So only cabbage color is converted or transformed to blue color. This hand or other objects, these are as it is, okay, without any changes. So this software you can use, natural language processing based photo editing. If you have any comments, if you want to explore, if you want to get details of some other AI based tools, or you want to work on some specific scenario, you can send me the message in comment box. I will try to troubleshoot. I will try to give you that particular appropriate AI based tool. Thanks to all of you.